Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to disable JavaScript in a specific site in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC. Step 2. At the top right, click on the More icon. Look for the three dots or vertical ellipsis icon located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on it. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on the Site Settings option. Step 6. Under Content, open JavaScript. In the Site Settings, navigate to the Content section and find the JavaScript settings. Step 7. Next to Not Allowed to Use JavaScript, click on Add. Look for the option Not Allowed to Use JavaScript and click on Add next to it. Step 8. Add your site. Enter the specific site URL for which you want to disable JavaScript. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to disable JavaScript in a specific site in Chrome on your PC. This can be useful if you want to enhance security or block certain site functionalities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.